Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Danny.
And I'm Olivia. Today we're talking about something fun. We're planning a surprise birthday party.
In this conversation, you'll learn simple English for planning and party with a friend.
We'll use easy words and real-life sentences you can use every day.
So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the conversation.
Okay, Danny, let's start planning. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I just had coffee, so I feel awake now. What about you?
Same here, I'm feeling good, and I'm excited to plan this party.
Me too. We're planning a surprise party for our friend Jake.
Yes, Jake's birthday is next Saturday, right?
That's right. We have 1 week to prepare.
Good. First, we should make a guest list.
Yes, Jake likes small parties, not big crowds.
I agree. Maybe 10 or 12 people?
That sounds perfect. Close friends and his sister.
His sister will be happy to help. She's good at keeping secrets.
Yes, she is. I'll message her today.
Great. Now we need to choose a place.
We can use my apartment.
I like that idea. Your living room is comfortable.
Yes, that look, I can't believe you did that.
Exactly. That's when I learned roommates teach you patience, sharing, and sometimes hiding snacks.
Snacks are the biggest problem.
So what about your new roommate? Do you know them?
Not really. I met them online. They seem nice, but online is different from real life.
True. People can feel different in person.
And I'm worried about small things. How clean should I be? How loud is too loud? Can I use the kitchen anytime?
All normal questions. First day is mostly about getting to know each other. Just be polite and just be yourself.
Yeah, I want to make a good first impression.
Of course, but remember, your roommate is probably nervous too.
You're right. Maybe they're scared too.
Little things help. Say hello in the morning, ask about their favorite coffee. Small gestures go a long way.
Favorite coffee. I hope it's not black. I don't want a coffee fight.
Coffee fight. That's a new show idea.
Giggles. Last night, I packed my things. I think I overpacked 3 suitcases.
That's okay. Overpacking is part of the first day excitement. You'll unpack some and forget the rest.
True. I also made a small list of apartment rules, like don't leave dishes in the sink, ask before guests, no yelling at 2 a.m.
Very smart. Your roommate will like that.
I don't want to be that roommate everyone warns their friends about.
We've all been that roommate once, don't worry. Just start slow and friendly.
Okay, but how do I start talking without it being awkward?
Small talk first. Hi, I'm Olivia. I'm excited to live here. Smile. Maybe bring a small gift like cookies.
Cookies are perfect.
Perfect. Then talk about chores, TV, music. Light things at first.
What if we have different schedules? I'm a morning person, and what if they stay up late?
Just talk about it. I get up early. Can we keep it quiet at night? Most people understand.
Communication is really important, huh?
Yes, talk, don't assume. And hide your snacks if needed.
Okay, besides chores and snacks, what else?
Don't take small habits personally. Everyone has little quirks. Also, share your plans. Don't make your roommate feel left out.
Maybe we can have a small welcome dinner tonight?
Perfect. Even pizza or pasta. Just sit and talk. Helps break the ice.
Hope they like pizza.
Who doesn't?
At the end of the day, how do I finish the conversation nicely?
Just a simple positive note. Thanks for today. It was nice meeting you. Or looking forward to living together.
Nods. Positive vibes only.
Exactly. And tomorrow, small talks, shared chores, maybe morning coffee.
I feel better now.
You're ready. And if things go wrong, don't worry. Every roommate story has a funny twist.
Hopefully funny, not sad.
Usually both, but the funny ones are the best to remember.
Living with a new person, it's like a small adventure.
Exactly. You might meet a new friend, learn to share, and laugh together.
That would be nice.
Even if it's not perfect, you'll learn a lot about yourself, about sharing, and about life.
Yes, and laughter helps too.
Snacks, communication, laughter. Perfect summary.
Ready for my first day.
You've got this, Olivia. Adventure time.
Thank you for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed our conversation.
Living with a new roommate can feel scary, but it's also exciting. Remember, talk, share, and laugh.
Try using these phrases and ideas in your own life. And don't forget, small steps make big friendships.
If you liked this video, subscribe to Hola Speakeasy for more real English conversations like this.
And click the like button if you want more beginner-friendly English tips.
See you next time, friends.
Bye!
This was really fun. Planning a party together feels exciting. And today we practiced simple English for planning and organizing things.
You heard easy ways to invite people and talk about food and plans.
Try using these sentences in your daily life.
Learning English is easier when you use it in real conversations.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
Join us again for more easy English talks.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone!